Hello YouTube viewers. This is another spectacular review by the Daily Foodie channel. Today we will be reviewing Wendy's Summer Berry Chicken Salad. Get a delicious taste of summer with the new Summer Berry Chicken Salad. Fresh, hand-picked strawberries and blackberries, crumbled feta cheese, crunchy apple chips and a warm chicken breast sit atop a mix of 11 different greens. Served with a perfectly paired marzetti simply dressed like blackberry vinaigrette. Limited time fresh made salad here for the season, available in full size or half size. The price of this half size Summer Berry Chicken Salad is $4.89 at our local Wendy's. The chicken was tender. The berries were fresh. The greens mixed well. This limited time salad is perfect to eat on a summer day. I give this Wendy's Summer Berry Chicken Salad a Daily Foodie score of 8 out of 10. Would I buy it again? I would say yes. Please click subscribe so you won't miss anything like contest video questions. It's free to subscribe. Stay tuned for more Daily Foodie videos each day. Every review is a championship review. One and do every day. Thanks for watching and see you next time.